All right, so today we have Kat. How you doing, Kat?
Hi, I'm here. I'm ready.
Kat's here. Kat has a middle back issue, upper middle back issue. Kat works on computers all day. She does interior design. How often do you sit in the chair?
8 hours a day.
8 hours a day. I get it. You got to do work. Kat, you been to a chiropractor before?
No.
So what we're going to do is mobilize the joints in your spine. Just relax from me.
Oops.
You all right? Relax from me. There we go. Just relax from me. Just relax from me. That's 8 hours. Just relax from me. There we go.
Those felt tight also.
We got you.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, so today we have Kat. How you doing, Kat?
Hi, I'm here. I'm ready.
Kat's here. Kat has a middle back issue, upper middle back issue. Kat works on computers all day. She does interior design. So how often do you sit in the chair?
8 hours a day.
8 hours a day. Every 30 minutes, we want you to get up and walk around. We don't need you sitting all day long.
Yeah.
Okay, but I get it. I get it. You got to do work. So what we're going to do now is call an adjustment. I just need you to relax on me. Okay, Kat? Kat, you been to a chiropractor before?
No.
First time?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is mobilize the joints in your spine. Just relax from me. Just relax from me. Just relax.
Oops.
Let your head drop into my hand. There you go. You all right? Good. Savvy, come on up. Just relax. Right there is where I feel something. Just relax from it. There we go. Let me have you lay on your side, face me. Just relax. Just relax. Needed that, huh? That's 8 hours.
Oh, I've never had anybody do a crack like that.
Hey, you're not. Let me have you swing your feet around. Just relax from it. So typically when people have upper back pain, their shoulders come forward. So we're going to try to see if there's any shoulder misalignments as well. Just relax from it. There we go. Just relax from it. Just relax. There we go.
Those felt tight also.
We got you. How you feel?
So much better. I feel loosened up. And I've been trying to do that on my own, but this is what I needed.
It's not your job.
Feels a lot better. A lot better.
Good. How long you had the problem for?
Like 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. It's all gone.
Magic. All gone.
But now we gotta heal my scoliosis.
We got you. We got you. It's all together.
I feel a lot better now.
All right. Good to go.
Thank you.
No problem.